guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is, artificial intelligence and ChatGPT are becoming part of our daily life. Students, office workers, content creators, everyone is using AI, but have you ever thought, is AI really helping us, or is it slowly harming our thinking, creativity, and jobs? In this video, I'll explain the major disadvantages of AI and ChatGPT in a very simple way, so please watch till the end. Number 1. AI reduces human brain thinking. Let's start with the biggest problem. AI can reduce human thinking power. Earlier, when we had a question, we used to think deeply, analyze, search, learn. But now, we just type a question in ChatGPT and get the answer instantly. This makes our brain lazy. Over time, logical thinking reduces, problem solving ability becomes weak, memory power decreases. If we stop using our brain regularly, our thinking skills slowly decline. Number 2, AI can reduce human employment. Another major disadvantage of AI is job loss. AI is replacing humans in customer support, data entry, content writing, basic coding, designing. Many companies prefer AI because it works 24/7. No salary, no holidays, faster results. This creates unemployment, especially for freshers and low-skill workers. If AI continues replacing humans without control, job opportunities will reduce in many sectors. Number 3. Privacy data concerns. Now let's talk about privacy, which is very serious. When we use ChatGPT or AI tools, we often share personal information, financial details, work-related data, private thoughts. But the risk is, conversations may be stored, data may be reviewed for improvement, sensitive information can be misused. Once data is shared online, we lose full control over it. So using AI without care can put our privacy and security at risk. Number 4. Reduced original thinking creativity. ChatGPT is good at generating ideas, but overusing it has a downside. When we depend too much on AI, content becomes generic, ideas sound repetitive, personal creativity reduces. Instead of thinking in our own style, we start copying AI-generated ideas. Slowly, original thinking disappears, creativity weakens, everyone's content starts sounding the same. Creativity is a human strength, AI cannot truly replace it. Number 5. Skill degradation. Another hidden disadvantage is skill weakening. Skills like writing, research, problem solving can slowly degrade if ChatGPT does everything for us. For example, AI writes essays, writing skills reduce, AI finds answers, research skills reduce, AI solves problems, thinking ability weakens, AI gives comfort, but it can make us less capable in the long run. AI and ChatGPT are powerful tools, but only when used wisely. Use AI to learn better, improve faster, and assist your work, but never allow AI to control your thinking, replace your skills, or reduce your creativity. Remember, human intelligence is the most powerful tool of all. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.